Hello everyone, my name is Ricky Echeverria, a CSS at your local Southwest Toyota dealership. And on today's tip of the month, I will be introducing Southwest Power Solutions. It's the newest division at Southwest Toyota Lift, where we will be offering battery and charger service rather than having to outsource to a third party. I am glad to be introducing Mike Hill, the head of the division, leading a team of certified technicians specializing in battery, charger, service, and maintenance.
Thank you, Ricky.
Hey, Mike.
Thanks for the introduction again, Ricky. So the battery coupled with the charger is the heart of the electric lift truck. It's essentially the gas tank that powers the lift. Since it's the sole power source to your lift truck, the battery maintenance is crucial. Maintaining the battery properly is going to help you get product moved in and out of trucks off the shelves, and also help your battery maintain a longer life with proper maintenance. Lack of watering or overwatering or poor connections caused by bad cables, bad connectors, bad contact tips could lead to a battery not charging properly. Also, some of these items could also be safety items that we need to address. Sometimes a common problem is your battery and charger not being properly matched or properly programmed for your application. Having the right battery with the right charger is going to ensure the battery's longest life expectancy and get you through your shift and push product out the door. Here at Southwest Power Solutions, we could help you with planned maintenance programs to help you get the life out of your batteries and your chargers. We could offer service all the way from PMs, waterings, recycling old batteries, installations of chargers, and also if you're looking to go green, we could also convert your gas trucks to electric and help you with that infrastructure cost and help you design your charger layout for your facility. Our goal at Southwest Power Solutions is always to provide you with the right solution for your application. Our team is trained and ready at Southwest, so please contact us today for your battery and charger needs. Thank you for your time, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next tip of the month.